we at now? I don't really got no time to play around. Wow, making beats up in my playground. Since I was a kid, I knew I always had to make sound. Whoa. Yeah, 2K19. Swear to God, I'm taking over 19. Ayy, bad, hit a $250,000. When it's here, pretty chilly. I've been trying to find me really well.
How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and I'm very sorry for the wind noise that comes across the GoPro. I'm trying to hide from it, but I'm bringing you this video 1 year later and some change. It's been a little bit over a year, probably about almost a year and a month, honestly. But a lot of you DM me on my Boost Auto tow mirrors for my OBS Chevy K1500 Silverado. A lot of you ask me, is it worth it? Is it worth the extra money to go with it? Do they function like they should? And do they hook up properly to the OBS Chevy? And I'll be going over all of that in this video. So let's get right into it. Now guys, before we get into this video, please also go down the link to check out the Boost Auto Part 2015 Plus style key fob for the OBS Chevys. Yes, this is a key fob for your OBS Chevy that works with this OBS Chevy. I have a video that I'll be linking right now how to install on a 96 model truck. I think 97 through 98 and the 99 classics are a different way of setting up. Bad Z71's got a video on that. So this will be for a 96, 93 to I think 96 truck. But check these out, guys. It classes up your keychain so much better than the old ones, and they have a little bit more range too than the old key fob. So please check these out and go get yourself one, or a buddy one, or whoever, your grandpa that still has a K1500. So please go check these out. They're an awesome accessory for your truck. Now the question I get a lot is it worth it to get tow mirrors on your OBS Chevy? And that is a catch-22 type of question, because not everybody likes this kind of style of tow mirrors on these trucks. They like the original smaller mirrors that come on the truck, and I understand that. There are some builds out there that look really clean with those mirrors, and me personally, not my style. I like the way this truck looks with these tow mirrors on. Now granted, mine have the smoked out LED turn signal / running light strips and color match caps to the body of the truck. So you can either get chrome all blacked out, or you can color match to your truck. I highly recommend color matching. It just pops on this truck, especially with this color, because like I said, not everyone's gonna like the style. I get a lot of comments and they love the style of these tow mirrors. They love the way they look on this truck. And also I get some comments saying like, you know, they don't like it looks too bulky on this truck, blah 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 blah. And I can understand both sides of the equation, but to me, having all this extra real estate, so like the top mirror and the bottom mirror, you can see a lot more behind you than you will with the smaller style mirrors. And plus, you know, being an actual Duramax tow mirror, if you actually tow with your truck, as you can see, I never pull these out. I need to clean that. You can actually see a whole lot more behind you when you're towing than when the little tiny mirrors that come on these trucks. Like I said, I just pretty much pull ghost trailers with this truck. I really don't tow with this truck. But like I said, it just gives it that meaner, clean vibe. And yes, they do fold in. So if you're in a tight parking space, you can fold them in and make them look good, or not hit anybody. They do, like I said, these are the running light / they're a running light and a blinker light. The other side, same thing. They blink with the little red arrows, and mine come on as a running light too. And then I got the high output reverse lights that make a world of difference, especially if you run really dark window tint like I do. These make a world of difference when it comes to backing up at night. They're so daggum bright, it's ridiculous how bright these lights are on this truck. Functionality part of it, yes, like I said, they blink, they do the whole 9 yards, and yes, mine are powered. They hook up right to the switch right here. I got left side and right side, and only adjust the top mirrors. My truck did not come with the option for the heated part, so that part does not work. Other than that, all of its functionality, you have to manually adjust the bottom mirror, which again, not a big deal. Just sit in your truck and have your dad or your buddy or somebody, your girlfriend, come out and adjust it for you on both sides to make sure you make it look right. The downfall of these mirrors, and the one thing that I can notice, or there's two things. The downfall is, and it's not the Boost Auto Parts fault at all, they have amazing quality, and they're one of the best sponsorships I have for this truck. I mean, all my sponsorships are awesome, but they are one of the best, I have to say. The downfall is, especially if you run wider tires, these mirrors catch everything. Rocks, bugs, dirt, gravel, grass, whatever you name it, it will catch it and fling up on it. Luckily, my paint and body match guy, or my paint guy, he put a lot of layers of clear coat on these mirror caps, so I have not found one nick, knock on truck, one nick on these mirrors since the year I've owned it. They just look so freaking good on this truck. I have run these in the wintertime now with freezing conditions, no issues whatsoever. The only issue is, of course, I don't have heated mirrors, so they don't defrost very well in the wintertime until the heat from the engine area or whatever it is kind of heats up these mirrors and, you know, they defrost. But that being said, these things work awesome. Now, hooking these up is a little bit of a interesting story. 90% of it, I will say 90% of it was plug and play. As you can see, they come with a special bracket. You need to put these bracket on so you can support the extra weight of these tow mirrors. These tow mirrors are not light, not like the old ones. So you need to support it. And then you've got, you know, your normal brackets right there. It also comes with pretty much plug and play wiring. I believe the orange wire is the one wire that's for your running lights that's not plug and play. And you have to custom wire that into the truck. Also, side note, if you wire these up and your turn markers are going or your marker lights are going absolutely crazy, they don't want to work right, blah blah blah, you need an LED turn signal relay under your dash. The normal turn signal relay does not work on these trucks. They can't handle the voltage of a normal turn signal relay, as I've struggled to put this stupid thing back in. You have to get one. They're on Amazon. They're like 10 bucks. Just get one and you should be okay. So yeah, you have to run the wire through this grommet, you know, underneath your dash. Make sure it looks good, tuck it up nice tight. It comes with instructions, guys. I'm not going to go over the whole install process. They come with awesome instructions to begin with. But like I said, guys, as we get in the truck, I'll kind of show you what I mean. As you can see a lot more outside and around the vehicle than you would the normal mirror that comes out here. Like I said, it sticks out a little bit more, so you have to watch out also how you drive and how close you are to objects and stuff like that. It's awesome at night though, because it also adds, like, if you have wide wheels and tires, these stick out a little bit past it, and when they're on like this, kind of illuminate how wide your truck is. People can see the mirror sticking out, so they want to get away from it, if that makes any sense. It makes it a whole lot better. Like I said, both sides, you can see a lot more behind you. The functionality part of this is freaking awesome. That's one of the main things I love about these mirrors, is that Boost Auto's customer service is second to none. You won't find anyone better. Now, these are pricey, especially when you get the custom modifications done to it, like the paint matching, the blacked out LED strip, the running light / turn signal light combo, the high output combo, you know, stuff like that. That does get a lot more pricey than a normal set of tow mirrors, I'm not gonna lie. Retail on mine with color matching was probably pushing near $700 for the set. And that, like I said, that is very pricey, because that is almost a lift kit in some cases for these trucks, or at least 2 of 4 wheels and tires for this truck, or whatever the case may be. But if you're building a project and building an overall truck, you cannot go wrong with these kind of tow mirrors, let me tell you. The value's there, the quality's definitely there, and just the way these are just freaking awesome. I absolutely love them. Love Boost Auto for sponsoring the truck and everything like that. All the links will be down in the description, guys. If you want some for your OBS years, they have from OBS all the way up to the 2019 before the 2020 HDs, the new ones with the different style tow mirrors. They got them for all those trucks, gas, diesel, you name it. From like I said, from the 88 all the way up to 2019 before the new body style, or in the 1500s 18. So go check them out, guys. See if you like them. They have on the newer ones, of course, the motorized option where they open and close motorized. all different kinds of options. Check them out down below. Awesome people, American made, American owned. You can't go wrong with that, guys, let's be honest. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing and changing, trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.